Are you spending a fortune on video generation? Then look at this video. I just created this video using Seedance 2.0. And guess what? It's 100% free, and you can create unlimited videos. Not only Seedance 2.0, but you can also access VEO 3.1 and other tools to create images and videos for free. So, let's dive in. Before we start the video, let's talk about how you can make money with a virtual influencer from day one. Yes, it's possible. And that's exactly why platforms like FanView exist. FanView is an AI-powered, subscription-based social platform that allows AI creators to build a profile, grow an audience, and monetize their content directly. It allows you to connect with your fans through messaging and other features. It's the only platform with AI messaging, voice notes, and analytics, all in one place. To start your money-making journey with FanView, click on Sign Up here. Now you can create an account with your email or connect with your X, Facebook, or Google account. After creating the account, your interface will be like this one. Now click on Start Earning. Now enter your country of residency. After that, you have to verify your identity with KYC verification. Once you've completed verification, you can set up your page and set your subscription rate. The minimum rate is $4 monthly. That means if anyone subscribes to your profile, then you will be paid $4. After that, you can link your other social accounts with FanView. And that's it. You are now a FanView creator. Now you can start uploading your content and start making money with your AI influencer model. Okay, let's get back to the video. Okay, the platform we are going to use today is VEO AI Free. Just open your browser and type voaifree.com, and your interface will be like this. You will find all the tools and features in the top bar. This is the login button, but we can generate videos without creating an account, because it says, no limits, no sign up. You can just enter the prompt here in this box and generate the video. However, I am going to use Seedance 2.0 to create my first video. So, I am selecting the Seedance tool from the top bar. Okay, this is the Seedance 2.0 video generator interface. Here, in this box, we have to enter the prompt. I am entering a ready prompt. Once the prompt is ready, come to the settings option. Here, you can change the model version. I will go with Seedance 2.0. After that, select the number of videos you want to generate. In the end, select the aspect ratio. I know we don't have so much control here, but it's okay, as we are generating videos for free. Once the settings are set, you can enhance the prompt by clicking here. Once everything is set, hit the generate button. Now we have to wait for some time. And here it is. The video is ready. Let's have a look at the result. This is really amazing. We just created this amazing cinematic video using Seedance 2.0 without spending any money. And the best part, we don't even have to create an account. Here, the only issue is that we can create only an 8-second long video, and we don't have so much control in our hands. This is really amazing. Now let's create another video. This time, I will create a 2D animation video. I am entering the prompt. After that, set all the settings, and then hit the generate button. And after waiting a bit, I got this result. This video is also amazing. Alright, now let's say you have an image and you want to turn the image into a video clip. However, here we don't have any option to add the image. To turn the image into a video, we have to use the photo to video tool. Okay, this is the image to video generator interface. Here, we have to upload the image and then enter the prompt to create the video. However, I will create the image first and then turn it into a video clip. So, I am coming to the image generator tab. Once in this tab, we have to enter the image prompt here in this box. I am entering a ready prompt. After that, you can set the settings. Once you are ready to go, hit the generate button. And here it is, the image is ready. This is the image you can create a 3D documentation style video. Okay, now save the image to your device. Okay, our image is ready. Now let's move back to the image to video tab. Now, we have to upload the image here. You can upload the first frame and the last frame of the video. This time, I will only go with the first frame. I am clicking here and then uploading the image I just created. Once the image is uploaded, Crop it as per your need. Okay, the image is set. Now enter the prompt in the prompt box. I will enter the prompt and then go to the settings. Now, here you can change the mode. The image video support VEO 3.1 and VEO 2. Let's go with VEO 3.1. After that, select all other settings and then hit the generate button to generate the video. And here it is. The video is ready. This is really amazing. Looks like a perfect 3D documentary video, and I like it. So, now we can create any kind of images and videos absolutely for free using the most powerful models, like VEO and Seedance 2.0. And this is not the end. You can even create voiceover clips for free. To do that, come to the Text-to-Speech tab. Once you are on this page, select the voice from here. You will find a bunch of options here. Select which one you want to use. After that, we have to enter the script in this box. Once done, hit the Convert Text to Speech button from here. And here it is. The voiceover is ready.
While chained to a heavy wooden bench. You cannot run. You cannot even scream. This is your new home. You are now a Roman galley slave. Just yesterday, you were a free merchant sailing the peaceful Mediterranean Sea.
This sounds really human-like. The quality is amazing and very natural. So, now not only images and video, but we can also create realistic and natural voiceovers inside VEO AI free. That's all you need for an AI creator or any kind of content creator. So, if you want to create content using AI and don't want to spend money on paid tools, use VEO free AI. If you found this video helpful, a like really helps this reach more people, and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Okay, that's it from me. Go make something. I'll see you in the next one.